then you got this cute little outbuilding, which I say we make into my office. In this episode of the Empty Nester Life, we're showing you how we took a backyard shed and turned it into an office space. Step one was obviously we needed to assess what needed to be done. First and foremost, we did choose this one to become the office because it already was fully equipped with all the electricity that you would need, as well as an air conditioning unit. So if you are planning on doing something like that, that's going to be definitely step one. You want to make sure you've got plenty of outlet space. We didn't have to hire an electrician because this was already done, but I would definitely hire a professional if this were something you were going to look into doing yourself. So the first thing we're going to do is clean it out, take all the stuff. I mean, right now we've got our bikes in here and we're kind of using it as a little outdoor shed, but we will clean it out and clean it up, and then the fun will start.
Maybe wipe down that fan.
I think we get rid of that fan.
I'll tell you what, looking at this floor, I mean, some of it's starting to lift.
Originally, we were going to try to get away with leaving this floor, but the more we looked at it, the more we could tell it really wasn't in good condition, and it's going to make a world of difference once we change it out.
I just moved a bunch of paint out. Zoe's been integral.
Mark started on the demo, and there were some things that we had planned to do ourselves, but we also were on a bit of a time crunch, and quite frankly, neither one of us are all that skilled in terms of putting in flooring and doing all of that type of stuff. So we did hire a crew and outsource some of the job.
So this is Mickey Mouse demolition because we have a bunch of bolts that are stripped out. They were driven in too far and so you can't even pull them out. So I'm trying to demo this out. A little bit of success.
You make Chip Gaines proud, honey. Ta-da! He did it!
Wow. I thought it'd be so easy.
Jeez.
It was not easy.
This one we're gonna leave and paint.
Perfect. I like the way that sounds.
The two-man crew that we hired did a fantastic job. So if you're in the Rockport area and need a crew to do some work for you, reach out to us. We would love to get you connected.
So the demo is done. All the old 12 by 12 vinyl tiles have been taken out of it.
Be sure to check out the next video where we take you along on our shopping trip. We chose the colors and the flooring purposely to be a good set for recording videos because we knew we were going to be using it for that purpose as well. So stay tuned for the next video where we do talk about good tips and tricks on how to choose your finishes. Check out this new flooring. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And it's just a wood plank look vinyl flooring. So the flooring and paint are done, but then we're also adding an extra little pop with these trim pieces. So they bought these trim pieces, painted them white, and come on Zoe, let's go take a look at what they look like installed. Now make sure you join us for our next video. You'll get to see when we do all the finishing touches, including the decoration, and you'll get to see the final finished product.
It just feels great, right? The new paint, the batten, the flooring. It's really going to be a nice place just to hang out and do some work even. Who knew? So make sure you subscribe, hit that alert button. We want to be your friend. And this is the first in our short-term rental video catalog that we no doubt will roll out to you. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.